What's up guys, winters are here, so projects are a little slow, but still here I am with the hibiscus plant. You can start this project basically in summertime to get the best result. So from this kind of hibiscus plant, I'm going to turn this plant into this one. It's really beautiful and really very healthy. So how did I do it? By this one. Cut up some branches from the hibiscus plant. Takes few branches, clean them off, and now here in my room, so I'm just cutting the branch in 4 to 6 inch long. Don't throw any part of the branch, make the branch from 4 to 6 inch long. Now cut off the leaves so that the branch can focus in growing the roots. So little bit scratch at the base so that the new roots can develop faster from its base, like that. So here I will use two methods, one is through water and one is through the soil. So now dipping the branches in the water, you don't need any rooting hormone or any rooting agents, just keep like that and it will grow on its own. So here is the mud with 50% of garden soil and 50% of compost, and now just place the branches like this. You don't have to do anything, just deep the branches around an inch inside the soil like this, so they will be just ready for the new journey. So place these cups in the side of the window where there is partial sunlight, no direct sunlight. So checking after 16 days, the growth is little slow. Here you can see the little bit of the growth nodes are growing from inside this cup, and in the water they are little bit faster than the mud. You can see the growth is little bit faster, and at the base of the branch you can see some healthy roots are just about to appear. The white dots are the healthy roots. So now I'm going to transplant those branches of water into the soil so that they can grow faster. The soil is like 50% mud and 50% of compost. That will works great for this plant. So now water them thoroughly and also keep these things and the side of the window where there is partial sunlight. So checking after 25 days, you can see that these branches has grown pretty good number of leaves. The roots are not that much visible, but you can see the branches has grown quite good, and in the cup they are trying to grow in a good manner. So checking after 35 days, you can see number of leaves has appeared in the cup where we placed all the branches in one cup. From beginning you can see few of the roots down there, and this cup is healthy, and those other leaves, those other branches, they are really doing good. Some of the branches has died off, no problem, but still you get good number new plants. So here checking after 55 days, you can see a very prominent new branch with good number of leaves has appeared, and you can see another cup, a bud has also appeared. Soon that will convert into flower. I'm really happy about that. So now my brother has planted few of the hibiscus branches in the flowering pot, and some of them you can see over there, and some of the new branches he is also going to plant in these pots, and he is really enjoying this. So checking after 75 days, you can see I told you one of the branches was showing flower bud. So here you can see one of the branches has a really grown a flower bud, and it's really good moment for me, and I really love this one. So in these pots you don't need to do anything, just water them once they seems like dry. Otherwise you don't need to take that much care. Just normal garden soil works perfect for this, so just leave like that, it will grow on its own. So within 1 year of time, the plant in the pot will grow like this. You need to add little more compost and it will be fine. So I hope you learned something how you can transplant a hibiscus plant. If you like it at all, please do share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you and see you again.